Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making like an envelope spot. It could be for photos, it could be for journaling. And I'll show you how to make it. You're going to need an envelope maker, or if you know how to make an envelope without the envelope maker, great. And you're going to need a double-sided piece of paper. I have this Pebbles Happy Cake Day Hot Diggity Dog paper. I got a 25 pack at Ollie's because if you don't know, I got just a ween. We got a little ween here, and I couldn't resist the Wiener Dog paper. Now, I want to make it so the size is correct for going in a journal. So I'm guessing that a card size of, let's just go by 5 by 7. We'll do 5 by 7. That way you can put a 4 by 6 photo in. So we need 9 7/8 inch of paper. So here we go. We're going to cut 9 7/8. We'll see. This might be too big for a journal, but then you would just have to make the size you needed. We'll see. We'll see. So the way this works is you cut a square. So 9 7/8 square. And then there we go. And then it tells you where to line your punch up at, and when I say 5 by 7, so 4 1/8. So we're going to line this up to 4 1/8, and we're going to punch, and we're going to score. Okay, and then you're going to rotate. You're going to line this lip up with the line, and that takes us to 5 3/4. So there we go, and then we're going to line back up at 4 1/8 and score, and then we're going to line back up at 5 3/4. I try to pay attention. That's one tip I can give you. When you get it lined up right, look at the punch guide number so you can just line it up with the number instead of having to line the score line up with this little lip. Okay? And then we're just going to round the corners. And put this away. Alrighty then. We're done with that. So now I want the weens to be on the outside. So I am going to burnish our score lines, burnish our scores, and make an envelope. This way. We'll have them be the right side instead of upside down. Okay, so there we have an envelope. All right, and now I'm going to use Velcro dot to close it. So when it's time to close it, we'll use that. And then what we're going to do is make a photo spot. So this is 7 1/2 and 5 1/4. So let's pull out a piece of paper that will match. Don't mind me, I'm looking for a piece of paper that will, what color is this? Okay, that would help. That would help if I knew what color it was, huh? I'm actually going to use gray. And then, what else do I got in here? I need white for a photo spot. I want to just do white for the photo spot. Do I have? No, I don't. I have to go grab white. Hold on. Okay. So I'm going to cut my paper. I'm going to cut the white to 3 by 5. So I'm going to cut this to 5. So that way I still have a card base. And then 3. I could probably do 2. Let's see if we do 2. We'll see. We'll cut them. We'll cut them and see, huh? And then we need a journaling spot, and we'll do the journaling spot 2.5 inches. No, that's too big. Okay, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. It's okay. I might not need that second. I just cut the second photo spot just in case. Why am I not seeing that line? There it is. Jeez, 2.5 by 5. Okay, so 2.5 by 5. All right, and then we're gonna get fancy. I mean, not really. Not really. We're not really going to get fancy. So I told my boyfriend had this grand idea, because I am going to not be able to come downstairs to craft because I'm having surgery, that we could set up my crafting area upstairs and he would bring stuff up for me. And then I could just craft upstairs. And I said to him, I have many problems with this, starting with, you don't know where everything is in my craft room. Half the time I can't find things in my craft room. So, just so you know, I'm looking for this, and here it is. This hemp twine here is like unraveled, and I was just trying to find, there we go, I'm just cutting it off. I need to go through this drawer. I said there's many problems with this. A, you don't know where anything is in my craft room. You don't know where anything is. And then I would have to explain to you where things are. I said, B, you don't seem to understand that when I'm filming a video, I will think I have everything, and then I'll remember that I don't. So you could be like running up and down the steps and grabbing stuff for me constantly. I've also been known to change my mind. Like, I just pulled this out so I can add an eyelet. Well, that wasn't my plan. None of this was my plan. Now all of a sudden it's my plan. Like, you know how difficult it would be? You'd be running up and down the steps. I said, let me just pre-film videos and we'll call it a day. And that's what I've been doing. I've been pre-filming videos and we're calling it a day. So I'm going to cut some of this, and as you can see, this is a tag now. We made it a tag, and we're going to add some hemp twine, and then that's going to go there, and then we're going to put a photo spot here. Look how cute that'll be. Put this on a little bit of an angle, because look, it'll work, because that angle right there, that nestles in there perfect. Perfection. So we're going to glue it down. Yeah, I put an eyelet and twine in to make it look fancy before I glue it down. That's fine. It's fine. So we're going to line that up like that. Oh, look at that. That is perfection. Okay, and then, do I have it? Where would it be? It's be right here. Hold on. I know. You're like, what are you even talking about? We can't see what you're doing. I'm digging for my stamps. That's what I was doing. I need to find a certain stamp set, and here it is. Now, you don't have to put a photo in here. You really don't. But I'm gonna. And I'm gonna use this Place Photo Here stamp. Okay, place photo here. Place photo here. When I tell you I get my use out of this stamp, I get my use out of this stamp. This is probably one of my most used stamps. It's Alina Cuddle, is that the name? Place photo here. Look at that. And I'm gonna clean it off, put it away so we don't lose it. Put the ink away. Also, by the time when I'm done pre-filming everything, my plan is to like clean up and make sure my craft room is clean, because when I come back downstairs to craft, it better be clean. It better be ready for me to go. So we're going to glue that there. Okay. So we're going to glue that there. And then I happen to have some stickers. Let's see. I happen to have some birthday stickers, so we're gonna put the cake. Put this cupcake right down here. Okay. Hold on. Okay, and then let's see. Where's my? There it is. I have these stamps here, and I want to put something like here. Let me just put the little camera. Put the camera up here, like that, and fill it in with some stars. Okay. All right, there we go. Good? Good. And then you would fold this in, and then I'm going to use a little Velcro dot. And we're going to put it here. Okay, there we go. So now we have a little envelope that you can put in a journal if it was big enough. I made it really big. I wasn't sure. Like if you've, oh, my journal for this upcoming month, it would actually fit perfect because it's a big oversized journal. And then, I mean, it wouldn't go this way, but you know what I mean. I would make it smaller. Though it could basically fit there if you really wanted it to. It could fit there and hang out the side. It's not, it's my dad. My dad can't do anything without me. It's ridiculous. He needs, it feels like he needs permission. But you glue that in, open it up, and then you could journal on this tag. You could journal going this way. That's how I would journal. I would journal going this way, and then place your photo there, your 3x5 photo. If you have something that says 3x5, you could put it in there, but as you can see, I turned to my son's birthday. This is my son's 21st birthday, hence the birthday paper. But let's turn it to somewhere where that's not there to distract you. So yeah, you can just glue it in there. And like I said, I wouldn't care if it was hanging out. I have stuff hanging out of my journal all the time. So there you go. That is a cute little project. And as I said, you can make it smaller. You do not need to have it that big. I just, a lot of times, if you don't know this, if you're just tuning in, I come up with ideas. I write them down in my little idea book. And for this one, I didn't know how big to make it, so I just made the idea. I just wrote the idea down, and then I come in and I do it, and I'm doing it with you for the first time. Most of the time when I'm doing something like this, I'm doing it with you for the first time. I haven't practiced it. I haven't gotten any measurements, anything like that. So that's how it got made this big. I would do 4x6 is what I would do. I would do this size envelope, maybe slightly bigger. This is an A2, so maybe I would do slightly bigger than an A2 envelope, but I wouldn't go this big unless you have a big journal. A lot of people have some big journals, and this would be great in a big journal. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like this project. I mean, I think it came out super cute. Super, super cute. All right, let me know what you think down below, and as I've said in every video since I'm pre-filming, if you comment, please be specific because I won't remember what you're talking about. Facts. I have now pre-recorded. Today is March 19th. 29th, not the 19th. Today is March 29th, and I have pre-filmed 10 videos, I believe, already. So I'm not going to remember half of what's going on. So just the truth there, okay? So if you have a comment, if you want to say something about it, please be specific because I won't remember. All right, thank you so much for joining me. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.